Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a wig wearer, a wig expert, and I would like to tell you today about one of my favorite, I call them accessories, my favorite crowns accessories. These are toppers, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorites and why they're my favorites. I've worn toppers for a long time. You know that I always go live and I have a really short pixie, Zoe, from our René collection. I wear that underneath because I really don't want to cut the bio hair I do have, so I always just put it up in a cap. Today, I actually just have my hair up in a wig liner, and this is a topper. Yes, and you know, I mean, this is a really on-trend cut and color, so you would never know really that unless you're really close to me and you're kind of poking at me here, back here, you would never know that this is a topper. This is a monofilament foundation, which is very important because it's very cool, lightweight, and I can part it anywhere. However, I just want to show you what monofilament means. This is all hand tied. These have clips. This is the same type foundation. This is very lightweight, and I work with a lot of people every day. Most people want a monofilament or a lace type foundation when it comes to a topper. And let me just tell you, toppers are not just for thinning hair. I have thin hair up here, but I wear my toppers for color change, style change, in between colors when my hair needs to be colored, and I have gray all along what I call my money piece here. I don't have time. I've had time to color my hair one time this year. I wear a topper in between if I'm gonna wear my bio hair on the weekend. I don't have time to sit there and have color done. So again, this would be if you wanted color blocking, if you wanted just a little bit of a highlight and a low light, if your hair's darker here, you can create all those different looks with toppers. No need, if you just don't want to, what I call jump into a full wig, and we have a lot of people on a daily basis that don't want to jump into a full wig. They just want to start off adding hair, adding volume, adding color change. Toppers are wonderful. So this is another one of my favorite toppers. This is long TP mono. This is the first time I've shown this, so I'm really excited about this. This is from one of our collections. If you need more information, go to reneapparels.com to see all the different colors is available in. Again, this is long TP mono, top piece. Look how gorgeous that is. This is 60. This is a new color. This is a new color to the collection. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, your hair doesn't have to be exactly this color. You could have, you could totally have different color down here, like salt and pepper, and you could blend this in. So on trend to be blending and color blocking, reverse color blocking. Sky's the limit when you come to when it comes to a topper. This is Malibu in Moonstone, gorgeous color. You could also pull this back if you just wanted to. You could pull this back and add a little clip. There's just so many options. If you get hot, you live in a hot, Texas is hot, so a lot of our women, they want just a little bit more, but they don't want to wear a full wig. Again, this is a nice option. This is Malibu in Moonstone. So this topper is Ivana TP. And what I want you to see about what I've done here is I'm not wearing my bio hair, obviously. I've kind of just put it underneath the wig cap, but I did that so you can see the amount of hair, the length, the amount of hair, and the fact that you do not have to have a lot of hair. You don't have to have long hair in order to wear a topper. This is secure on my head, and again, I just have a little liner on. I've shown that before for some of my patients. I show how to just put the liner on one of these, the liner on, then the topper attached, so that you can wear some type of head covering. If it makes you feel more comfortable to just have a little bit of fringe of hair coming out from underneath one of our head coverings, this is a beautiful option. And the colors that are available. Whenever you need more information on colors available on Ivana TP, look at this gorgeous color. Who would ever think You don't have to go do color processing. You can just buy this and change your hair color instantly, just like this. This is Marble Brown LR. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the Ivana TP. We have, of course, our clips, machine made here, lace front, lace part. Again, same foundation on this piece. This is Marble Brown LR. And keep in mind, I haven't styled my hair into it. I haven't made it mine. I want for you to see it right out of a box so that you know what you're getting. And so you have an idea of the amount of hair and what you're going to be able to do, the possibilities. Again, this is just a great amount of hair. It's not a lot, and you can definitely either add a little bit of volume and hair, or you can definitely just create a whole new look. Again, this is Ivana TP. So let me show you the construction of Ivana TP. We have the 4 pressure clips, very easy to use. Again, it's nice that we don't have clips here because most people do not want clips along here. This is lace front, lace part, very lightweight. This is Ivana TP. So let me show you medium TP mono. Wonderful piece, great amount of hair. This is monofilament, meaning this is all hand tied. This is lace, individually knotted. We've got clips, so 4 clips. And again, here we do not put a clip because most people do not want a clip here. You could always do what you like with the clips. You can move them around. You can find someone to do it for you, but it's not that you can't take the clips and move them wherever you'd like the clips. Very lightweight, and again, monofilament allows you most versatility to part in the middle or on either side. And this is ginger brown in medium TP mono. So let me just show you what this will look like. And again, my hair is a little long for this particular piece, but just to give you an idea what it looks like. Gorgeous color. I mean, look how this really, I just made my hair look similar to a Karen. But say you just wanted a color change, a little bit more hair, this is a wonderful accessory to be able to do that. Again, this is medium TP mono in ginger brown. So I hope you really enjoyed my little segment on toppers. Again, this is Ivana TP in Marble Brown LR, and I just love this. I mean, this is just out of the box. Again, you can personalize it. If you need more information, please go to reneparis.com to look at all of the different toppers and all the different color selections. Again, I'm Danny, and like I always say, live big in your ROP wig.